Ethereum is ready to make a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Just another reminder, guys, we have launched our Telegram channel where I will be posting updates in real time, so make sure to check out the link in the bio as well. As you guys can see on Ethereum, we are still trading below the exponential moving averages after having a wonderful BART formation complete. I mentioned this BART formation many times before, as the fact that you can see on the 4-hour, the BART formation started around the 1150 mark. We had a nice continuation, failed to break above a crucial resistance point, and then retraced back right into that 1150 zone. As of right now, though, looking at Ethereum, of course, we are in the oversold region, but we have to be very careful here. The reason why is because of the fact that you can see we have already tested this level twice, and now this is becoming the third test opportunity. And as you guys already know, on the third test, we tend to see a breakdown formation. Right now, I am keeping a very close eye on the $1,000 level to see how it holds. But of course, in a worst extreme case scenario, if we do break this $1,000 support, our next level for capitulation and possibly a local bottom will be around the $723 mark. Now, from a bullish case scenario, if we do bounce off the support level here at the 1150 zone, we have to break above the exponential moving averages, find them as support, but this is going to be very key. We have to try to break above this 1331 level because of the fact you can see from previous price analysis, we failed to break above that level multiple times. We actually saw 3 beautiful wicks trying to break above that level, failed, and then continued pushing on lower. And as of right now, Ethereum, once again, when we had this past week, we tried breaking above, once again failed. But we have to be very careful in order for a V-shaped formation because, as you guys can see, as of right now, we are forming a midterm support on the 4-hour time frames. The only thing is, of course, it is the weekend. We have a lack of liquidity, so I'm not really expecting any sort of move sets. At least today, maybe tonight, we'll see a larger move. But as of right now, if we do see another breakdown formation, then we will be keeping an eye on this $1,000 mark. I want to emphasize the fact that, of course, we aren't really looking for any trades right now because, guys, this is a very crucial point for Ethereum. These zones tend to be the most choppy, so if we do start to break below this 1150 mark, we would have to try to get lower than 1078. The reason why the 1078 level, of course, is very important is it still acts as a midterm support, so if we do start to trade below that level, this would also become the third test opportunity, and we can expect at least a wick down to $1,000. That's still a very large trade from 1078 all the way down to $1,000. That's a $78 drop on Ethereum, which can still be used as a scalping position. As of right now, though, if we do see a V-shaped formation, we have to be very careful because of the fact the RSI is in the oversold region, as well as that if you look on the hourly time frames, you can see that we are starting to see a neutral standpoint. Before, we were continuing pushing on lower, retesting these EMAs, continuing lower, creating new lows, but as of right now, we did see quite a few candlesticks on the hourly break above the exponential moving averages. So this is why I'm saying this is going to be a neutral territory. We could easily see an inverse BART formation and then the continuation on Ethereum, but we would have to once again try to break above that 1278. I'm only looking for shorting opportunities as of right now. I'm not looking for anything in terms of a long position, so keep that in mind as you guys are trading because of the fact that you can see the bulls are still failing to break above very crucial levels. I mentioned the fact that when you have a large waterfall effect like this coming to the downside, we tend to have a consolidation, and a 1 or 2% gain does not mean that the bull run is back. It just simply means that we are consolidating. We're trying to grab that liquidity before we continue pushing on lower. I do believe that in early January we will be seeing the markets crash, of course, at least in February Q1. So we have to be very careful here, and I don't think the crypto market is going to change anyway, right? What I mean by that is when you have the stock market looking like it's going to collapse, crypto usually tends to follow that as well. So if crypto does collapse here as well, then we know our levels are laid out in front of us. $723 is the level we would be looking to start DCAing in. What I mean by DCA, of course, for those of you that know, is dollar cost averaging. And once we get near that level, then we can start looking for potential altcoins to buy. Otherwise, right now it's course, extremely risky to be looking at anything when you can still expect another 50% drop from this level to continue pushing on lower. So I just wanted to tell you guys that, of course, that if we do drop another 50%, then your favorite altcoins will be capitulating as well. Now, I did want to point something out that, of course, I did mention it in a few other videos. The fact that we are seeing an inverse bar formation could be at play right now. What I mean by that is you can see that we do have this waterfall effect. We have this consolidation. So any clean break above this 1331 level, we could be expecting a very large short squeeze going all the way up to 1658. We have to keep that in mind as well, because we can't decipher the fact that whether this is going to continue pushing on lower. The only time that would become invalidated is if we break below these exponential moving averages and this support zone here at $1,000. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. And if you guys are interested in joining my Telegram, link is in the bio. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day.